Trigger feels pretty good though in single action. Obviously I'm hitting the steel. Today we're going to take some first shots with the little Sidekick Revolver from Diamondback. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris from CloverTac and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here on CloverTac, we talk about all things firearm related. So if you're into that sort of thing, jump down and smash that subscribe button below. While you're down there, if you want to stay up to date with all the new content, we'll go ahead and just click that notification bell as well. So today we're going to get some first shots in with the little Sidekick Revolver from Diamondback. Now this is a convertible model, does come with that 22 Magnum cylinder as well as the 22 long rifle. So we're going to be using some CCI Mini Mag 22 long rifle as well as some CCI Maxi Mag in 22 Magnum. The one thing about the little Sidekick, it looks like it can be a lot of fun on the range. So we're going to test that out first. 10 yards downrange, I have one of our 6-inch AR500 steel gongs from, of course, high caliber targets. Let's see if we can ring some steel and have some fun. As always, when we're on the range, safety comes first. Got my eyes on, my ears in. Let's do it. All right, 9 rounds of 22 long rifle on the steel. Here we go. 1. There's 2. 3. Missed one. Shocking. And there's now that we've got 4 rounds left, going to switch up, go double action with this heavy double action trigger pull. Surprised I hit the steel, but there's 1. Wow, 2. There's 3. And there is 4. So 8 for 9, and the one missed was single action. Not too bad, and certainly was a lot of fun. Now with the steel out of the way, let's move on, shoot some paper targets. Got a couple of our targets from Outdoor Products Plus, again, 10 yards down range. The black target on the left, gonna go 5 rounds of single action. The red target on the right, 4 rounds of double action, and just see what we can do. Again, I am not the most proficient when it comes to the type of sights that are on these single action revolvers, but hey, I will do the best I can. Here we go. There is 1. There is 2. There is 3. There is 4. There is 5 in single action. Move on to the double action again. That's a heck of a trigger pull on this thing, but we'll see what we can do. Here we go. There's 1. 2, bit surprised. 3. And 4. So let's get down range now and take a look at the target. So here we are down range. I said I was surprised, and here is why. Really decent group, despite that heavy trigger pull and double action, on the red target. Now the black target, that's of course more my speed, more what I would expect myself to do with the sights on that type of a revolver. So now I've got the cylinder switched over, got 9 rounds loaded of the CCI Maxi Mag 22 Magnum. Again, fresh targets put up, gonna go 5 on the left, single action, 4 on the right, double action. Here we go. All right, double action over on the red now. Here we go. All right, let's go downrange and take a look. Downrange, taking a look now at the targets from the 22 Magnum. And this, unlike the 22 long rifle before, is more what I would expect to see from myself with a single action revolver. And notice the group on the left in single action, very similar to the 22 long rifle. However, it is interesting that that group on the right shifted pretty heavily to the right. And I think that heavy trigger pull certainly had something to do with that. So the two main features to talk about on this revolver are, of course, the double action and the swing out cylinder. Now with the double action, as you can see, without a lot of time and a lot of practice with the thing, it's pretty doggone heavy and it can affect your accuracy. However, that swing out cylinder is a really cool feature, makes it a lot more convenient to load and unload when you're out on the range. That of course saves time, and the more time you can save on the range, the more time you have out on the range to have fun. And I think with this revolver, you can do that. And speaking of revolvers, if you want more revolver content, well, got you covered right over here. As for this one, we're done. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.